we want to move away from them so we have a better angle, right? How can we do that? By using this line. Okay, potential shit shows. What could be a potential shit show here?
Bow coming around and smashing.
Bow coming around and smashing over there. What do we do in that case?
Ball fender.
Ball fender. Okay, we can take the ball fender and already have somebody ready with it. Let's say we do get entangled with their anchor or something. What do we don't want to do? Panic. Nothing bad. You can just push yourself away, maybe use the thrusters and do something else to get away from that situation, but not like, oh shit. Chill. Okay, but this won't happen to us because we're going to spring forward as much as possible. When we're in the open over there, the wind could be blowing our bow over there or bow over there. We adjust while we're at it. Okay, like if the wind is taking you over there, no problem, take your bow over there, leave in reverse. If the wind is taking us over there and we're clearing, let's go forward. But to give ourselves more room, we're gonna spring off on this line. So we can undo. We can undo this.
Would a little extra line between here and there be good?
Nope. What else you can do is you can take this line. Let's say it was really windy. You can take this line, positioning it one cleat more. You know what? Let's do it. I want to show you. I want to show you. More slack. And lock it. Okay, now undo this. Now before you take this off, let's spring on this. Yeah, start springing. Yeah, go ahead. Where's your helm?
All the way to the...
All the way. Slowly, slowly. Look what's happening. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, you can undo.
Now my stern is starting to move left.
Slow down, neutral. Now you can undo this and go out.
Undo this one?
Yeah. Undo and let it run. Go forward. Just like that guy did.
Really?
Yeah. Alright, slowly let it go, let it go. Straight the helm now, because now we're moving. Okay?
Forward momentum.
Yeah. Slowly, you're always watching to the back to make sure your line is good. See? It's all good. And you can start turning. Careful from this. Beautiful, right? You saw how the other spring line took us even more. We had room. We spring. Easy peasy. Easy, beautiful exit.
Wow.
Just like that, baby.
I feel like I didn't do shit really.
I know one thing I fucked up on. I pulled the short end and I didn't realize till after it had a loop in the end.
Oh, and that could have...
I could have caught and fucked us.
Yeah, but not here, because if it was this one, yeah, but that one was the first line we take up, so it was good. Great.